How to add favorite channels on Hulu. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can add new channels on Hulu. So let's begin with the video on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can do it. So in order to do that, you need to open the hulu.com. You just need to go to hulu.com and log in using your login credentials. After that, on your home screen, you'll be able to see different kind of option. You're just gonna go to the hub section. After going to the hub section, you'll be seeing different kind of channels or different kind of shows that you want to add. And when you go to view all, you'll be seeing more different channels. Like you can see Cartoon Network, Disney right now. You'll be seeing more than these options. So what you're going to do is simply tap on that three dot. After that, you can easily find that add to your channel option. Just click on it. After clicking on it, that channel should be added onto your Hulu. So therefore, just follow that step and you should be able to add channels on Hulu. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.